Hey, welcome back. I hope it's been a terrific day for you wherever you are in the world, whatever time it is for you right now. Today, though, we're going to play with dots. I mean, we're not going to play, we're going to create. We are going to be oh so artistic and creative with this Lego dots set. This is the Unicorn Creative Family Pack. I totally did just read that off the side and didn't forget what it was until I saw it on the side. It got a lot of stuff going on here that is all unicorn themed. I love that. So, there are 707 pieces. It's $80 here in Australia and $40 in the US. Like, that's the Australian dollar's not worth 50 US cents. That just seems, yeah, these pricings are so wonky. Anyway, I got it for $60 at Kmart, and that's its normal price there. So, you know, go elsewhere than just the RRP places. We've got so many good things in here. We've got bracelets, we got colours, we've got brick separator. Is that exciting? Yeah, it is. I mean, it's really, actually, we'll talk about the brick separators we get into this. And some opalescent dots, some nice big base plate, and some teal and blue bits and bobs, and some like paper just everywhere. So let's have a look at what all these random bits of instruction sheets are. Or maybe they're just advertising. We'll have a look. Normally these folded up ones are just advertising, but no. Okay, oh, this is, yeah, okay, so this is inspiration, not instructions, but inspiration for what you can do with the pennant things, and the advertising on the back. And this little folded up one is, once again, some ideas for what you could do with the bracelets, which is really cute. I think this is the first time we've had bracelets that have included the letters in them as well. And this is some ideas for what you can do on the little message board and how to build this one's how to build the unicorn. So let's start with that. But before we do that, this set actually includes 2 different brick separators, which is really, really necessary for dot sets, because you're always like redesigning them, right? So I'm glad we've got those in there. We've got 3 packets of alphabet letters, so we'll have plenty of options there hopefully. And in this box, some cord. And it's not string, it's actually, let me just get it untied. It's actually a nylon cord, so it's not gonna fray. It's pretty dang strong. Very nice. So some grey cord that's hanging up the pennant. But let's get started on the unicorn, because that is the focal piece of this, and we'll make sure we will do all of this. We will complete the whole family pack all by myself. Oh, but you're here with me, so we're family, right? So basically this is a family activity that we're doing together in different parts of the world. Ta-da! And I get all of the creative say. That seems fair. Yeah. All right, so we're basically just building a box, which is how a lot of these dot sets start, but then you put your creations, your creative flair on the outside. And we've got some outward facing studs there to attach the plates on, but on the top we got smooth bits, and on the side we've now got our plates going on, and those are currently a white blank slate ready for us to create on. And we're going to be building a lid too with these. Oh, why does the lid come in 2 parts? That'd be interesting. Let's find out why as we go along. So we have got a tail, and we've got 2 little backward facing legs and the little top bit of the tail. And then on the front, these are the front legs, which I think are a little bit unfortunately placed. They're supposed to look like a unicorn flying through the air, right? So yeah, that's what it is. So now we've got the head, which is once again just another box. We're building a little box to put on the front of the other box, but it is going to get a bit more of a shape. So that goes on. There we go. Now it looks more like a head. Got a snouty kind of thing happening. Got our decorating spaces around the sides and the back. And here we go with some nice big eyeballs. That's so cute. So we need to do that on both sides, but we're going to put the bit of the mane on the back first. Another eyeball here. And then a bit of the mane on the top, some ears, and a unicorn horn. And that goes, yeah, there. So, that's why they're partitioned. So one bit you can pull off with the tail and one bit you can pull off with the head for the box toppers. Cute. All right, let's take this panel off and let's decorate it. And I'm just going to do the decorating that's actually that's in the instructions because, well, one of the main ones, because it's just so nice. It's a full pastel rainbow. How can you go wrong with this? So we got a line of turquoise, and I'm just trying to line them all up by doing from side to side. Yeah, it drives me bonkers when I can't get all these squares lined up. But that looks nice. And some of the opalescent dots on as well. How pretty is that? We'll take the front off. We'll do the front with what is definitely arms. And we're going to just put this pattern around the front arms, the front legs, I suppose. And then the same thing on the other side, and some of those opalescent dots just to make it a bit blingy. Change the bottom row to blue on the side because I got that wrong through the magic of editing. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I managed to mix up the turquoise and the blue, but there we have it. And on the back, doing some more pastel-y, rainbowy patternings. This is really pretty. It's really pastel-y pretty. And some sparkles down around about the butt area, and on the top where the tail topper is, these have to go kind of, there are not clear instructions on where to put this stuff on the top. I'm just following from the picture, which is not so hard, but I can be a bit bad at this, so I'm following carefully. And then these ones I assume, can't really see them, but we fill that in, and then I'm taking the head off so that I can actually access the plates underneath it when we get to it. But let's get, these should all line up with the sides. So let me just try and make sure that these all go, yeah, so then these go in a little line here to match up. Nice, all right. And then some, yeah, same thing on the other side. Magical. And then the unicorn is done. So we got a box for stashing all of your stuff in. I just fixed up this side because I forgot about it. It's just the same as the other side, but at least I got the bottom row the correct colour. Cute, so cute. Okay, unicorn's done. Let's have a go at the pennants. So this is something we haven't done before in Lego Dots. So we're gonna use these alphabet letters, and I might as well do the happy birthday. I mean, when else do you put pennants up? Birthdays, celebrations. So happy birthday is a good one to try out. So let's put, by the way, if it's your birthday today when you're watching this celebration and this pennant, I am building this just for you today. So make sure you watch this on your birthday. Okay, so happy birthday, got everything I need there, and then let's decorate it with, once again, I'm just following one of the inspirations on the little pamphlet that it came with. These are on the back to hold the string up. Let's have a look. No, to hold it up, to put the string through. So we'll put the string through. We've got some turquoise tubes to go on either side to space them out. So now you got to repeat, which is a bit boring. So if you don't want to repeat, just make them all different. But I'm going to make the two on either side of happy birthday the same, and then the ones on the other side of that different as well. But I might save them to the end and find out what pieces I have left. So same thing over here on this side. It's so cute. It's all so cute. Let me see if I can get this through. It's a good amount of string too. Isn't that going to look so pretty suspended up on the wall? And there are two more of those little pennant bits to go on either side. I'll do them up later. So let's have a look at, we've seen these little skinny bracelets before, but now we got alphabet letters to put on them. And what else are you going to put on this but your name? I mean, how is this not the automatic thing that you do first? And then you can change it later when you get bored with your name. You can change your name to Dorothy or Spaghetti. So that's cute. We got one there. I'm not going to do the other one because it's, you know, pretty obvious as to what we can do with the bracelets, but they really look nice. For a message board, we've done a couple of these message boards already. Same sort of idea, but we've got different color scheme involved this time. And we've got a little stand. So rather than just hanging it, we can use this little stand to prop it up like a photo frame. Okay, what sort of motto are we going to put in this? We need something inspirational. But first up, we're going to decorate it. Actually, I don't know that this is the best way to go about it. I think you want to put your inspirational quote or whatever you want to say in first and then decorate it. But you know what? We're not doing it that way. I'm going to put all these little teardrops in pastels. It's so pretty. It's so pastel-y pretty. I'm using different colors to what they have in the recommendations because I've run out of the ones that they recommended. So going to put in definitely a Lego quote. Gotta build them all. I need another packet. Them all. But I also gotta move this a little bit too, which is why I didn't push them down too far to try and centralize it. And even now it's not quite where I want it to be, and I'll fiddle with that later, but that's I really like the colors. It's really pretty. Okay, all right, and a couple of sparkles, and I think maybe a couple more sparkles, and then we can stand this upright. Okay, wow, we have just like zoomed through the party pack, family party pack. I had a great party. How about you? And I've done the extra penance for the end in what colours I had left. There's plenty of choices of what you can do. So this is a really super fun set. Don't really like the price, but there's a lot of choice and a lot of creativity, inspiration-y stuff happening. Yeah, available in this one pack. So that's really cool. If you want to go for a big pack and you like pastels, this is the set for you. So let me know, what do you think of the set? Let me know in the comments, subscribe, do all the things, and check back in because more videos are coming up really soon. So I'll see you then. Bye.